absorbed, broken down, and then the spiky cell forms into a red blood cell. This process is continued until the body is formed, or in some cases, looks like a congealed mass of god-awful stuff I would never want to touch. So let's discuss for a moment then how the body would become infected by this creature. It's clear from what we can see the cells doing that these spikes seemingly line the entire surface of the cell, all 360 degrees. In Earth's biology, things like viruses have a similar path of infection as they attach themselves to the surface of the cell to grow. However, should a cell not present the correct cellular markers, then that cell cannot be infected. A major example of this, which a lot of people...
Oh my god, this is literally like the other time the
are actually immune to HIV as they possess a homogeneous set of genes, and even then they can still be resistant to HIV if they possess a heterogeneous pair of these genes. The Delta 32 allele is what's responsible for this resistance. During the bubonic plague outbreak, a small population was able to survive and go on to breed after others were wiped out. This mutation in the Delta 32 allele made them more resilient. How this inadvertently had an effect on HIV was the presentation of the CCR5 protein of the cell. Instead of forming outside of the cell, which is what HIV initially uses to attach itself to, it is formed under the cellular membrane. Because of this, HIV was never able to get a hold on the cell and thusly was never able to infect
don't tell me it did it again.
It was not able to get a foothold in the body, which rendered the HIV virus completely ineffectual against the person. Looking at this example, something as terrible as HIV can be created by something as simple as a different growth pattern in protein. So then, how would this make something as alien as the thing be able to bypass all cellular markers to infect a person? Well, I believe it all goes back to the presentation of the supercell. The cell is surrounded by spikes, so rather than relying on the cell to present the opportunity to be infected, it pierces the cellular membrane and drags it in, much like harpooning a whale, I guess. After doing this, it would lyse the cell and absorb the genetic information
They must be new.
With this information obtained, its cellular functions, which I must say are ridiculously faster than ours, can form the shape, correct cellular markers, and even may be able to carry on the same function as the cell if the creature fit to do so. But seeing as this is just a blood cell, let's talk about
Nitro Express.
Well. For instance, why doesn't your body mount any sort of effective strategy against it concerning your immune system? Well, firstly, let's discuss your immune system. What you hold within you is a thermonuclear answer to disease. The immune system could be programmed to attack a certain ailment or disease.
Oh, he domed me too.
So effective, it could virtually eradicate almost any invader. Ironically, this nuke also has the ability to wipe you out and your cells if improperly directed. But the issue is, we currently only have one way to effectively program it, but that science is still in its infancy. And even still, it's nothing like being able to attack actual alien biology. So let's start with the basics. White blood cells versus the thing supercell. Upon first being infected, your body would likely become aware of the presence of other cells in the body, but would quickly lose track of them. As we all know, the thing supercell is able to quickly and efficiently assimilate to whatever cell it has infected. Once it assimilates to your cell, the body's defenses will no longer be able to recognize it as not one of its own. Because of this, white blood cell find the thing cell before it assimilates into another cell. There's in the process, or even the lysine which it uses could be entirely useless.